Welcome to one and all. In this session, we will see the reduced syllabus of HSC examination for Computer Science 1 and 2. Okay, means total we will see reduced syllabus for 200 marks. Indirectly 50%. Okay, 25% from each section. Okay, that is from CS1 and CS2. Clear? And this is valid only for 2020-21 examination of board. Clear? So ये जो भी reduced हुआ है, it means you have to only learn 75% from CS1 also and 75% from CS2 also. Okay, means you got more time to do near about less topic, okay, from the total. So let's start. We are starting with the Computer Science 1. Okay, chapters are Operating System, Data Structure, C++ and HTML. Okay, so we'll see this one by one कि सारे टॉपिक्स में से, सारे चैप्टर्स में से कौन सा टॉपिक है जिसको ओमिट किया गया है, जिसको रिड्यूस किया गया है. ओके, we'll see. Operating system, in this the topics are overview of OS, Windows 98, Windows NT, overview of Unix and basic of GUI. Okay, and the numbers are mentioned here: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.15. Okay, ये जो numbers हैं, these are the number from your RD सुपेकर. ठीक है, ये टेक्स्ट बुक में से आपको ये जो नंबर्स होंगे डायरेक्टली यू कैन ओमिट दीज थिंग्स, दीज टॉपिक्स. ओके, इसलिए मैंने ये यहाँ पे नंबर भी प्रोवाइड किया है, टॉपिक नंबर, जिससे आपको वो टॉपिक को ढूंढने में आसानी हो. ओके, इसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पे ये नंबर्स भी दिए हैं. सो यू कैन सर्च इट वेरी वेल. क्लियर? And just cut it out these things that if you want to learn you can do it. Okay, but this won't come in your board. So that अगर ये topics कम हो गए तो आप बोर्ड में अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो और भी बेटर कर सकते हो. Okay, now from second chapter of CS1, that is data structure, introduction of data structure. Okay, introduction में क्या है? Meaning and type of data structure, linear and non-linear. You have to learn this for just for your information. Okay, but you are not having it as board question. Next is data structure operations. ठीक है, in this you are having 6 operations. Those operations you are not having as board question. Okay, and the topic number is 2.1 from RD Supekar. Okay, now the next one, C++. C++ में तो बस आपका एक बेसिक यूनिट है जो एक वहाँ पे कम हुआ है, बेसिक टॉपिक, जस्ट दैट रिव्यू ऑफ C++. ओके, रिव्यू मीन्स जस्ट द बेसिक थिंग जो बोर्ड का पार्ट, दैट इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ बोर्ड. ओके, एंड द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग 3.3 फ्रॉम RD Supekar. इन दिस the meaning of object, class, data binding, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism is given. Okay, it means it won't come for 1 mark statement. Clear? Means such kind of statement won't come for 1 mark, but it can come with the topic of class. Okay, with the topic of polymorphism, inheritance. So these 3 topics you have to prepare. Okay, in these 3 topics you should know the definition of these terms. Otherwise for 1 mark definition it won't come. Clear? So just you should know the meaning of this term for 3 to 4 marks question. Okay, next one is HTML में से क्या हुआ है, टॉपिक जो कम हुआ है वो कौन सा है? 4.1. दैट इज द वेरी स्टार्टिंग टॉपिक. that is what is the meaning, what is the benefit and what is the problem with this HTML. ठीक है, तो ये नियर अबाउट ये 3 to 4 मार्क्स के लिए बोर्ड में आता था. This topic you are not having. So from this chapter you have to learn only list tag, table tag and other tags. Okay, so this topic is very much simple for you now, and the topic number is 4.1 from RD Supekar. Okay, and now we will see the topics of computer science too. Here we are having 5 topics. First is introduction to microprocessor and organization of 8085. Okay, second is here you are having theory of processor 8085. In this you are having programming. This is introduction to Intel x86 family, introduction to microcontroller and networking. Okay, so we will see here also chapter wise and सुपेकर में उस टॉपिक का क्या नंबर है वो भी देखेंगे. ओके, सो इन दिस फर्स्ट चैप्टर वेयर यू आर हैविंग इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ माइक्रोप्रोसेसर 8085. ओके, इन दिस द फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज इवोल्यूशन ऑफ माइक्रोप्रोसेसर विच इज नॉट देयर एट प्रेजेंट फॉर 2021. ओके, जिसमें आपको पढ़ना पड़ता था फर्स्ट जनरेशन, second generation, third generation, fourth and fifth. This you are not having at present in this year for board exam. Okay, and the topic number is 1.1. Okay, now in second topic, and the topic is block diagram of generic microprocessor. Keep in mind it is generic microprocessor, it is not microprocessor 8085. Clear? So it is generic microprocessor. Block diagram आप देख लो कौन सा है, that only you have to omit. Okay, for this year. And the topic number from RD Supekar is 1.3. Okay, these are the two major topics जो कभी ये वाला 4 marks के लिए होता था and this was also for 3 to 4 marks. Now you are not supposed to go through these topics. Okay, and if you want to go, you can go for your knowledge only. Clear? Now from second chapter, which is full of programming and problems of microprocessor 8085, in this near about all the topics are there, just one topic, that is programming model of 8085 is not there. Okay, otherwise all the topics are there. It means near about 0 only. Okay, इसमें से अगर कुछ टॉपिक कम किया है, it is near about 0 only, because this is really very important chapter. So you are not supposed to lose any marks from this chapter. This is very much scoring for you. Okay, now the third one, introduction to Intel x86 family. Here you are having introduction to advanced microprocessor. Okay, उसमें से कौन से हैं, मतलब जो हमने पहले पढ़ा था that was 8085 was 8 bit. तो एडवांस का मीनिंग क्या है, यहाँ पे 16 बिट प्रोसेसर पढ़ना है. ओके, उसके फीचर्स पढ़ने हैं, एंड दोस प्रोसेसर आर 8086 एंड 8088. ठीक है, तो ये इनडायरेक्टली टॉपिक नंबर इज 3.1 फ्रॉम RD Supekar. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, इंट्रोडक्शन टू माइक्रो कंट्रोलर. यहाँ पे आपको 8051 माइक्रो कंट्रोलर पढ़ना है. ठीक है, जस्ट उसमें जो इंट्रो दिया है मीन्स द बेनिफिट ऑफ माइक्रो कंट्रोलर. ओके, बस ये टॉपिक आपका इसमें से कम हुआ है, एंड द टॉपिक नंबर इज 4.1 फ्रॉम RD Supekar, एंड दिस चैप्टर इज ऑल्सो नियर अबाउट फॉर 7 to 8 marks. Okay, for board. Now the next one, networking technology. In this you are not having at present protocol topic. ठीक है, ये एक टॉपिक नहीं है. उसमें क्या है, मीनिंग ऑफ प्रोटोकॉल एंड इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल. These two things you are not having now. Clear? From networking technology, so beneficial mostly the thing is from first chapter only, that is generic MUP and your generations of microprocessor. ठीक है, बाकी सारे चैप्टर्स में से तो नियर अबाउट एक टॉपिक कम हुआ है, और स्पेशली इन CS1 वहाँ पे काफ़ी टॉपिक्स कम हो गए हैं आपके. सो नाउ यू कैन स्कोर मैक्सिमम मार्क्स इन योर CS. Okay, 100 marks will be for practical and next 100 will be for theory. So now in theory you can also score above 90. So total will be 190 out of 200. Clear? So you can score better marks. जितना भी आपने पहले सोचा होगा उससे और भी बेटर आपको अब मिल सकता है. So please try to do, and note that which is the topic or which are the topics from these chapters which were not supposed to go through. Okay, and by which you can score maximum marks. ठीक है? So please do it, and if you are facing any kind of doubt, please mention through comment or through email, and please score best marks in CS. Okay, thank you.